Mga kwentuhan na dapat mong malaman.
Kasi magpapatulong, o sige, bigyan mo ako, walang in return. Sinong tutulong sa mga taong yun na para maabot yung mga pangarap nila?
Tsaka pag gusto mo naman po kasi yung ginagawa mo, hindi mo siya maiisip na, na parang draining.
Kasi lahat posible. Lahat ng bagay is posible.
Do something that you love. Habang pagod na pagod ka, hindi ka give up kasi you love what you're doing.
Always remember po ang lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo. Everything that's happening to us, there's always a reason behind it. Bye!
And good evening, everybody. It's a Monday night again in another Chikahan with Mommy Ray. And of course, I just want to greet all the moms belated Mother's Day po. At dahil Mother's Day kahapon, my guests are the beautiful mothers po. Pero bago tayo magsimula ng ating Chikahan, I want to invite everybody for our theater show this coming June 6 and 7. Saglit lang, totoo na. Directed by, of course, our director, Direk Rodel Mercado, featuring the works of Lisa Magtoto, Vincent De Jesus, Alfonso Dacanay, Rene Villanueva, Gloria Ann Nacional, Caleb Alvarez, and Frank Rivera. And mapapanood nyo po itong lahat sa Mirror Studio Theater sa Kalayaan, sa Makati. On July 6 and 7, we have 7 o'clock and a 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. show. And if for tickets reservation, you can message 0927-242-2673 and 0954-1706-2679. Yan po yung tickets. All the tickets now are available. Tawag-tawag na po kayo for your reservation. And of course, like what I said lagi, make it a habit every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. Of course, I started with Chikahan with Mommy Ray. Every Friday, our podcast, Up Top Down Low, with Caleb Alvarez and Charles Deon. And of course, every Friday naman po, a coffee chat with Daven. At lahat po ito, 7 p.m. And you can watch everything po, yung tatlo naming live. Of course, in our Ignos Novos Artist Management Facebook page. The same with our Instagram, Ignos Novos Artist Management. And of course, please like, follow, and subscribe our TikTok. It's ignisnovos.official. Plus, please follow our mother company, First Son Production, with the Facebook and Instagram, First Son Production. And of course, we have our our YouTube channel, First Son Creative, na which mapapanood nyo po ang aming live. Like this one, mapapanood nyo mamaya sa aming YouTube channel and also our events and our theater and also our Way Back Wednesday. Ayan. Magsisimula na tayo ngayon because it's a Mother's Day yesterday. And of course, mga guests ko po kayo is also moms. but mga magagandang nanay that will represent their hometown, their yung lugar po nila. Please welcome my guests. I'll start with my guest, of course, Miss Pasig. Miss Pasig, Mommy Irish, and Summer. There's Mommy Irish, ang ganda. And of course, Mrs. Valenzuela City, Janice Mariano.
Hello everyone.
Yan. And Mrs. Pasig City, ay Taguig City, Scarlett Chua. Ayan. Good evening, mommies.
Good evening, Mommy Ray.
Ay, ang gaganda ng mga kaharap ko. How are you? I'll start with Irish. How are you?
I'm very good and I'm really happy to be here.
Okay. And then Mommy Janice.
I'm okay din po
Oh,
and
yeah.
masaya din po ka na na-invite dito.
Okay.
Thank you so much po.
And Mommy Scarlett.
Yes, I'm so blessed to be here and so glad to meet you.
Oh,
Mommy Ray.
thank
You're
you.
So pretty in
Oh my God.
person.
Ako nga excited sa inyong lahat. So, magchikahan na tayo kasi mahabang chikahan to. Tatlo, first time. So, kay Mommy. Okay. Mommy Janice. No, Mommy Irish. Tiga Pasig ka talaga?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, so you grew up talaga sa Pasig na.
Yeah.
So, walang province.
No, actually, during my childhood, I grew up in Manila area.
Oh.
But when I was in middle school, we transferred to Pasig and we've been here ever since.
So, walang province.
Well, my mom's from Cagayan.
Yeah.
So, but we don't often go there anymore.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but I can still speak Ilocano or understand. Yeah.
Pero hindi ganun ka-fluent kasi nga you grew up dito na. Manila na talaga.
Yeah, I can understand what they're saying when they're conversing, but that's about it.
Okay. Ikaw, Mommy Janice.
Ako, pinanganak ako sa Tandang Sora,
Oh.
pero nung namatay yung parents ko, lumaki ako sa Antipolo, and then nakapangasawa ako sa Valenzuela.
So kaya nag-migrate ng Valenzuela. And then, Mommy Scarlett, ang bata niyang Mommy, Miss Scarlett.
So I was raised and born in Marikina City
Okay.
with my dad who is in pure Chinese
Mm-mm.
and my mom is 50% Chinese.
So kaya mo Chinese na Chinese
Yeah,
talaga.
I'm Chinese. I have Chinese blood and I have Filipino blood.
Mm.
But when I got married, my husband and I moved in Taguig City. That's why I'm representing Taguig City.
Yun naman pala. So because of, dahil nag-migrate kayo and then nagkaroon ng mga family, kaya naging yan ang mga naging representative nyo. Okay, sige. So, dahil dyan, pero na-experience nyo naman yung maglaro sa labas. Not like with the generation now, di ba? They're all in gadget. But kayo, do you have the privilege na yung sinasabi natin, Pinoy na laro?
Yes po.
Yeah, all of you. So at least na-experience nyo yun. Kasi di ba, not everybody can experience it. But before we talk about pageant, do you have any jobs right now? Are you working or just as yung sa mga mommies lang talaga nasa bahay, home mommies?
Well, my son is now 19.
Yeah.
So, from the time he was born until he was 19, I really dedicated myself to raising my son.
Yeah.
But now that he's 19 and in college, he
Yeah.
actually told me, you should spread your wings.
Okay.
And so since I have this blessing, I decided to explore something different.
Oh, so that's nice, diba? At least, hindi na full-time mom. And then, Mommy Janice.
Ako, nag-empleyado ako before,
Yeah.
bago ako nakilala yung husband ko.
Yeah.
And then, nag-business kami.
Mm.
Actually, nag-networking business muna.
Okay.
And then, napalago yung business,
Mm-mm.
hanggang sa nagdagdag ng mga business. And
Oh.
then, ayun, nagbi-business ako ngayon sa place namin.
Okay. And then, Mommy Scarlett.
Yes po, before when I was single,
Mm-mm.
I was helping out my family business. But
Mm-mm.
now when I got married, I am stay-at-home mom,
Mm-mm.
very hands-on to my kids.
Ay, oo. Kasi 'di ba, aminin natin mas masarap na stay home mom eh.
Yes.
Nakita mo yung mga development ng ating mga anak. Yun yung price being a mom, 'di ba? But speaking of that, before tayo magkwentuhan pa, marami na ako nakikita sa comment section na wants to say hi to us, of course. Ayan. Ayan na. Good evening, sabi ni Micaela, good evening. And then, Peter Charles, good evening, Peter. Ayan. And then, Megan, I'm excited to see the ladies, sabi ni Megan. And si Luke, Nathan, good evening po. Good evening. Etong Chinese. Good evening, Mommy Ray. I think this is France. Hello, France. Good evening. And then Angela Ocol of one of our artists and also beauty queen, Miss Manila Tourism, Angela Ocol. Hi, Angela! And of course, my daughter, good evening, bebe ko. That's my daughter. And then si Lyra, good evening, Mommy Ray. Good evening, Lai. Happy Mother's Day daw. Ayan, sabi ni Franz. Nga. Tapos si Sheena, hello po. And of course, si Chara is here. Beautiful queens of Mrs. Philippines. So proud mother here. Of course. And then si Natasha, hi, Mommy Irish. And, who pa? Rosario, gorgeous mo, Janice Mariano, ang gorgeous daw. And then, sabi niya, very Filipina, beauty si Janice Mariano, the next Mrs. Universe Philippines, of course. Oh, Mami Kat, si Ma'am Kat, Miss Kat, good evening po. And, sino pa? Good evening. Ay, Tagig, happy Mother's Day, thank you po. Hello, Miss Tagig, sabi ni Miss Kat. Alex, good evening, ladies. And si Rosario. Yan. Okay. Sabi niya, and then next is Alex. All the best to all of you. And then si Alex again. And then si Max. Oh, sorry na, Max. Si Max pala to. Sorry na, Max. And then si J.A. Hi, Mommy Aris. And no more. Ayan, ang dami nag-hi. Okay. At least nandiyan si Cha. Thank you for letting me, allowing me to interview all your Mrs. Universe Philippines candidates. So, dahil may mga family, lalong ikaw, Mommy Iris, sabi mo nga, for 19 years, full-time mom.
Yes.
At sabi ng anak mo na, sige, spread your wings.
Yes.
So, this is one part of spreading your wings, joining the pageant?
Oh, for sure. For sure. Because joining a pageant is actually really getting out of your comfort zone.
Oo.
You're gonna be so exposed.
Yes, exactly.
And that's something that's not easy,
Yes.
honestly,
Yes,
to be
exactly.
honest. So, I'm proud of myself for just, being
Yeah,
here
being-
despite all the reservations
Yes.
and
Kasi ang dami, no? Hindi ganun kadali. How about you, Mami Janice?
Ngayon po kasi, first time ko lang din po talaga
Yeah.
nag-join sa ganitong klaseng
Yeah.
pageant. And super supportive din naman yung family ko.
Yeah.
Actually, hindi ko din talaga inaasahan yung mga support.
Yeah.
And, ayun, at least ngayon na nakikita ko na yung support nila sa akin,
Mm-mm.
di ba po? So, nakakatuwa lang din po.
Parang nakakabiglain, no?
Yes po.
Yes. And then, Mami Scarlett.
Yes po, it is my first time also.
Also, all of you are first
Yes,
time.
yes,
Okay. So, paano ang support ng family?
My family is very supportive and they're happy that I joined the pageant. Kasi first time sa family na meron.
First
Beauty
time.
queen.
So, paano nyo ngayon binabalanse yung being a mom and then dun sa pageant, mas lalo na the pageant is already near eh.
Yeah.
So, mas magiging hectic yung schedule, diba?
Yes.
So, how is it? I'll start with Mommy Scarlett. So, paano mo binabudget? You juggle the time.
Okay, so balancing being a mom or a woman advocate
Yeah.
and a beauty queen,
Yeah.
I manage my passion so that I know what's the important ones
Mm,
first.
okay.
Becoming a beauty queen, I am a mother first. So for sure, I will prioritize that whatever happens.
Mm.
So that's how I balance all of three.
Yes. Si Mommy.
Sa akin naman, ine-enjoy ko.
Mm-mm.
Since bago naman ako nag-join sa pageant, sila naman lagi yung una. So ngayon, nakita nila na medyo, syempre, nag-focus na ako sa sarili ko. Like, I'm doing exercise, nag-gym ako parati kasi medyo before, medyo tumaba ako. Tapos nakikita nila, syempre, na nagbabago na yung figure ko and then nai-enjoy ko. So, ayun, medyo naninibago sila. Pero naiintindihan naman nila and support naman sila sa akin.
So, that's that. And with Mommy Irish.
For me, I just make sure that whatever time I spend with them is quality.
Yeah.
Not just being with them physically that we're together,
Yeah.
but when they're talking, looking at them in the eye,
Mm.
and really asking how they are,
Yeah.
how they feel. Yeah, so quality over
Oo.
quantity.
Yes, kasi ngayon, nandyan pa kayo eh.
Yes.
Pero
Yes.
once the pageant is near, you're gonna be locked in eh.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, medyo mahihiwalay, di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
But before that, sino nag-persuade sa inyo to join the pageant?
Besides our mother queen.
Yeah, your
Sharon.
mother queen, yeah. Who persuaded?
My friends. Yeah, because they've always known me as being kikay
Yeah.
and like I love to dress up and besides my other hobbies. So when this opportunity came, they
Yeah.
were like, you know, you should try it, you know, since your son is of age and he doesn't need me quite as much anymore. So, yeah. Let's try this.
Let's try.
Yeah.
Si Mommy.
Actually, nag-start lang to sa biroan namin magkakaibigan.
Okay.
Meron ako isang friend before na nag-join din sa
Oo.
Mrs. Universe. And then, sumasama ako dun sa mga event niya. And then, she's encouraging me na to join last 2025. Sabi ko parang hindi ko pa kaya.
Yeah.
And then, last year, ini-encourage din ako ng isa kong friend na si Pat Larino na nagha-handler din ng mga beauty pageant. Sabi niya, mag-join ka na. Sabi ko, hindi ko alam din kung paano. And then one time, may yung friend ko from City Hall.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, I heard na gusto mong mag-Mrs. Universe.
Yes.
I have a contact. And then yun na, then, pinamit niya na ako kay Madam Charo. And then, that's all.
How about you, Mommy?
It
Scarlett.
started with my two friends, puro friends no? With my two friends, because nung friend ko na isa, letter A na lang, sabihin natin, sinabi niya, merong Mrs. Universe, nagsisearch na candidate. So the second friend na letter B, siya naman nag-check sa Facebook ng Mrs. Universe Philippines. And then sabi niya, oo nga no, nagsisearch sila Scarlett. Ako naman, sige nga, check ko na nga, may nakita kong Viber number. Okay, sige, I'll message them. And then, I sent the requirements, tapos they respond na, okay, come here by Monday, we will have an interview.
Oh. So yung nagpasa lang muna kayo ng mga application or something. Pero yung nagpasa na ba kayo ng application, nagpaalam na kayo sa family na I might join the pageant?
My husband is the first one.
O ano sabi ni husband?
Okay naman, supportive naman siya.
Okay. Mommy?
Same din. Sinabi ko agad sa husband ko. Tapos sinabi niya, gusto mo ba? Sabi ko, gusto ko din. Siyempre, nung bata ako, pangarap ko yun na maging queen, ganyan, mag-dress up, mag-gown. Parang, akala ko di na matutupad eh. So ngayon, kung yan gusto mo, sige, support ako.
Diba? Mommy?
Yeah, I ran it through some friends and family also. Just to kind of see what they thought of the idea of me joining.
Okay. So, nung nagpasa na kayo, and then sinabi sa inyo, you have an interview, hindi nyo naman alam if matatanggap kayo or hindi. Kasi di ba, once you pass the requirements and everything, ano ba, pagpasa nyo, tanggap? O lahat ba na nandoon na tanggap? O ano? Can anybody answer this?
I don't know, kasi nung yung in-invite na ako, nag-sign na ako agad ng contract.
Ganun na.
Yeah.
That fast. Okay. So, eto na. So, one of the candidates na kayo ng Mrs. Universe. Siyempre, may advocacy. Is this advocacy ngayon lang? O dati nyo pang advocacy? I'll start with you.
For my advocacy, I chose reading or the love of reading, literature. Kasi it's something that I've been doing since I was a child. So I'm a voracious reader. And I was thinking kasi, I really have to advocate for something that I do on a daily basis. Para it's genuine.
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically that's why I chose reading.
Yeah, and then for now, I'll just add a little kasi nowadays kids don't read anymore.
Exactly.
'Di ba? Hindi nila alam na once you read it parang yung vocabulary nyo and knowledge nyo dumadami if you're reading, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Mas masarap magbasa kaysa makinig lang at manood, 'di ba?
Yeah,
Nice advocacy. And then with you, Mommy.
Sa akin po, before ako mag-decide talaga mag-join sa Mrs. Universe, inano ko muna yung sarili ko, ano yung magiging advocacy ko. And then I remember my mom.
Okay.
So, sorry. She is, na-abuse nung bata kami. Ng father ko.
Okay.
And then, me also. Sorry.
Yeah.
Na-experience ko din. Physically abuse, emotionally abuse. Pero nakayanan ko.
Yeah.
Nung yung mother ko, hindi niya nagawang makalis sa situation kasi wala siyang capacity para buhayin kami magkakapatid.
Yeah.
And then hindi ko makakalimutan yung time na may pasa siya.
Oh my God.
And then nilalagyan niya ng ice. And then sabi niya sa akin, paglaki mo, huwag mong hahayaang sasaktan ka ng lalaki. Kahit sinong lalaki. And that moment changed me and perspective ko sa buhay na kailangan ko, paglaki ko, na kaya kong buhayin ng sarili ko at kaya kong tumayo sa sarili kong paa. Pero dahil nga, magang nawala yung parents ko, tumira ako sa iba-ibang kamag-anak na hindi ako nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral.
Okay.
Siyempre na kaanak ako ng maaga. And sa hindi inaasahang pagkakataon, yung same situation ng mother ko nangyari sa akin. Pero ang kaibahan kasi sa akin, yung first time pa lang sinaktan ako, umalis na ako. Naghanap ako ng opportunity na pwedeng mabago yung buhay ko, na makatayo ako sa sarili kong paa. And then, eto na, nakarating ako sa, nahanap ko yung networking business na nakapagpabago sa buhay ko. Hindi lang financially, binago yung mindset ko, tinuruan akong tumayo sa sarili kong paa, nagkaroon ako ng confident, at ang kagandahan din doon kasi marami din akong natulungan. Doon ako nag-start. And then, ang advocacy ko is to empower women, especially sa mga VAUSI victims.
Yes. Ang dami, no?
Yes.
Ang daming VAUSI talaga.
Nung nag-barangay counselor ako, nakita ko na halos karamihan ng mga babae, same situation sa akin. Hindi sila nakakaalis sa difficult situation kasi wala silang kakayahan eh. Natatakot sila na magsimula, natatakot sila na walang magsusupport sa kanila. Kaya kahit nahihirapan sila, nag-i-stay sila sa ganong sitwasyon. And yun po yung gusto kong maging advocacy ko, na maging boses sa kanila na kung pinagdadaanan nila yung ganong situation, merong way out. Gusto ko magkaroon ng ma-educate sila na hindi ka natatapos dyan, na kahit may anak ka na kahit ilan na yung anak mo, kasi ako that time, may anak na po ako, umalis ako. Pero nagawa ko eh. So, same din sa kanila. Huwag silang matakot na magsimula ulit.
Yeah, and then, usually, because of the pageant, women have voices now.
Yes.
Because of the empowerment. And then one thing, I'll just add with that, yung kasi sa VAUSI and everything. And I remember, this is one of my moms shared me. Gusto kong i-share sa mga dalaga dyan, sa mga babae. Ang sabi ng nanay ko, once na sinaktan kayo ng lalaki, physically, hindi ka na nire-respeto. So, get out from that relationship. Like what you did, Mommy Janice, na once ka palang sinaktan, umalis ka na. Tama yung ginawa mo, 'di ba? Kasi dapat ganun tayo, mga babae. Tandaan nyo, matatapang tayo. We can stand alone. Yun. And Mommy Scarlett, ikaw, Mommy Scarlett, ano ang iyong advocacy?
So my advocacy is Hapshak Kwa Bunkwa, meaning harmony across cultures. Because I am a Filipino-Chinese blood, I really want to bridge the gap between two cultures. We have different cultures, we have different communication gap, languages, but we can be united together as one.
Yeah. Kasi nga medyo madaming madaming conflict sa Chinese ngayon, especially yung nangyayari sa atin ngayon, 'di ba? So, maganda yung advocacy. All of their advocacy is really, really nice. Empowering each and everyone's yung knowledge nyo. Kasi sabi nga ni Mami Irish, dapat yung advocacy mo, kaya mong ipaglaban. Kasi ito yung ginagawa mo, diba? O yan. Dahil dyan, eto na. Mag-hi muna tayo ulit at papainumin ko muna ho. Ipaparelax ko lang din si Mami Janice. Diba? For sharing. Diba? So, ayan. Nasa na ba? Okay. Ang dami ba? Sorry na. Ayan. Parang si Jackie, yan, sabi niya, Tiffany, and then si Rosario, rooting for Mommy Janice nga. And then, motherhood, womanhood, yan. Tapos si Jackie ulit, sabi niya, let's go Valenzuela. Okay. And then, ayan, puro, very Filipina, si Ja, go Pasig, sabi niya. And then, go Pasig, sabi ni Kat. And then si Patty, good luck to everyone. Go Pasig, sabi ni Pat. And, ayan, so queenie. And then, of course, my anak, bebe ko. That's my one and only. And then si Daisy, good luck, mentor Janice. And then, wala pa naman Mrs. Universe advocate na yan, si Janice Oka. And then, Concy Abbott,
My
congratulations.
husband.
Oh, hello po. Good evening. Sabi ni
Daddy.
Concy, ayan. And then si Rosario, okay. Tapos, Ate Maya, hello Mami Ray, hello Ate Maya, true story daw. And then how can I say this name? Baka magkamali ako. Kawilan, ayan. Kawilan, go ate, go te, sabi niya. Then si
Dati
Sir
kong stop yan.
Oo. And then si Daisy, congratulations. Dami, And then si Amy, go Mrs. Valenzuela. Oh, Ate Pat is here. Hello, fellow queens. Hi, Ate Pat. And then si Rosario. And then si Jamaica. I'm so proud of you, cousin, sabi niya. And then, yummy. And then, ayan, with or without the crown, sabi nga nila Janice. Oo nga, alam mo, women can be with or without the crown. We can empower, and then madami pa. Ang dami po. But if you have any question for them, you can drop your question here. Concy Abbott, ayan pa, ang dami.
Sabi niya, linawin ko daw, baka akalain siya yun.
Ay, hindi naman
Yung
daw
husband.
ikaw, Concy. Hindi ikaw, huwag ka mag-alala. And then, a little high, taasan lang daw ang boses ni Mami Scarlett, Scarlett, okay, laksan. So, eto na yung advocacy. Siyempre, sisterhood. Sabi nga, sisterhood in the pageant. But once in the pageant, labanan na to eh. Do you expect to win or just enjoying the journey, Mami Scarlett?
I am enjoying the journey. Actually,
Okay.
they know, my co-candidates, because I was telling them na, winner, we win or we don't win, at least we have sisterhood now. It's like a
Yeah.
family.
Yeah. So,
I'm
parang,
so blessed to know them.
yeah, enjoying na lang. Eh,
Enjoying.
how
Yes
about
po.
you? Ang dami nag-cheer sa
Yes,
Valenzuela.
so, yun
So,
nga
paano?
po yun, di ba, nakaka-overwhelm. Yun pa lang po, panalo na ako. So,
Oo
okay na ako. And syempre, yung na-meet ko po sila, na magaganda, and ang babait po, sobrang nakaka-bless.
Yeah.
And then, I'm so proud na nagagawa ko to. Sa akin, manalo or matalo, or whatever happens, kung ano man yung ibigay sa akin, I'm so blessed po.
Okay. Mami.
For me, the title will be a bonus.
Yeah.
But I really believe, and I think everyone will say the same,
Mm.
this pageant has really been such fertile ground for learning.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't realize that I will be learning a lot or realizing a lot of things through this pageant.
Like
So,
what? Like what?
One thing is bravery, right? Because I'm really very introvert at heart. I love to read books,
Yeah.
and my alone time is really precious to me. And so being out here, like even now, of course feels outside of what I'm used to.
Yeah, your comfort zone.
Right?
Yeah.
So, bravery is something that you have to hone. It's not something you're born with, at least not for me.
Mm-mm.
So, every time that, I put myself out there, I feel like I'm getting to where I should be.
Mm-mm.
Or, something like that.
Yun nga, sabi nyo nga, it's a bravery, di ba lahat? Anong naging preparation nyo sa pageant? How you prepare the pageant? Kasi malapit na eh. Mami Scarlett.
So, I have a preparation for my mental, of course, and physical.
Yeah.
Kasi we need to have a strength. Lalo na we are preparing for our talent, and then our gowns. So, that's how I prepare my journey.
Okay. Mami.
Same din po. Actually, hindi ko masyadong pinipressure yung sarili ko kasi nga gusto ko i-enjoy lang yung journey. And then, yun, may mga friends din naman ako na nag-help sa akin. Mga sila Tiffany, sila Pat. So, hindi ako masyadong nape-pressure din. Tutulungan nila ako. So, pagdating din sa pagpapasarela.
Yes, yan, exactly. So, yan, lahat yan ginagawa nyo ngayon. Mami,
Yes.
Mami Iris, pa-practice ka na ngayon ng iyong pasarela.
Yes, we actually have training on, I think, next week. Yes.
Okay, sige. So, that's enjoy. So, dahil dyan, sabi nyo nga, you have training sa pasarela nyo, and then, ayan, magko-Q&A muna tayo. Ayan. Eto, bigla na lang may lumabas mo na Q&A, di ba? 2 question per candidates tayo. Pero, I'll start with Mami Scarlett. Ikaw muna. Only one. Pakatapos, babalik. Okay. 1 by 1 muna tayo. Ayan. Ang question ko, ayan, kung bibigay sa'yo ang bato ni Darna, sino o anong ang kasamahan ang una mong tatanggalin sa Pilipinas? Kasamaan.
Okay.
So, if yung bato ni Darna binigay sa'yo, ano yung munang isang tatanggalin mo sa Pilipinas na napakapangit na nangyayari sa atin ngayon?
Siguro ang una kong tatanggalin is parang wala silang pagmamahal sa kapwa nila. Kasi that's one thing I also want to pass to the people around me, na whatever circumstances you have, and sino man ang tao na nakakasalamuha mo, even they are not loving, you show your love so that they will feel it and they will also pass to other people.
Yes. Nice. Very nice answer naman. Mommy Janice. Ayan. Eto, isa. Okay. Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na gumana ang tulay para sa pamilyang Pilipino, anong tulay ang gagawin mo?
Gumana.
Gumawa. As in, parang gumawa ng tulay para sa pamilyang Pilipino. Anong tulay ang gagawin mo?
Tulay ng opportunity.
Okay, why?
Kasi kulang tayo sa opportunity, 'di ba? Lalo na yung mga nasa lower. So, umaasa lang sila dun sa ibibigay ko ano yung pwedeng ibigay lang ng government na maliliit na tulong. So, kung merong opportunity para sa bawat Pilipino na para magkaroon sila ng kakayahan na mag-excel sa buhay, 'di ba? So, dun kasi nag-start lahat ng kung ano man yung problema ngayon sa atin eh. Pero kung lahat ng tao is Pilipino is may capacity na makapag-provide sa sarili nila, hindi na nila kailangang humingi pa dun sa government, 'di ba? So hindi sila manghihilimos ng tulong. So ayun.
Mami Irish.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. If you will be given $100,000, and you're going to spend it in 48 hours, how will you spend it and why?
Wow. $100,000 is no joke. And in normal circumstances, I would need a few days to think about that because that's not chump change.
But it's 48 hours lang ang binigay sa'yo.
48 hours. Okay. Well, two things. Probably, I want to give to those who are in need medically.
Okay.
Because I feel like, can you just imagine being ill and thinking about how to pay your bills instead of just recovering? So if you're ill, you just want to recover, you want to do everything you can to get better and everything. But if of course, if you don't have any resources, you're gonna have to, it's another worry on top of everything else. So if I had that opportunity, I would really give to someone who is in need of it in terms of medical health, medical aspect.
Yeah. Yun lang. So, isa lang.
Personally, ako naman, if I will have like those full body checkups, executive checkups. Yeah,
Yes.
personally, because I'm kind of a health buff. Yeah.
Okay. Ang ganda. Oo nga, no, kasi sa Philippines talaga, kulang ang health benefits ng bawat isa, no? Ito yung malaking problema natin.
Everyone's worried.
Yeah, sa atin. Start sa'yo naman muna.
Okay.
Sa'yo muna.
Orange. Favorite color is
Yeah. Dalawa per question down. Ayan. Eto. For you, what is the meaning of social justice?
social justice.
Yeah. What?
Ito yung ibibigay mo yung justice na hindi na ibibigay sa lahat ng mga kababaihan na katulad nung nangyari sa na-experience ko na hindi na bibigyan ng pansin. So, sana lahat may opportunity na mabigyan ng pansin, lalo na yung mga kababaihan na natatakot, na mag-voice out, na mabigyan sila ng karapatan na kahit natatakot sila, kaya nilang humarap.
Yeah.
At ipaglaban ko ano man yung pinagdadaanan nila.
Oh, mommy, you. Okay. Diba? Here. Given a chance to enhance your body, which part of your body and why? Even though you have a perfect body now. So, for
Super
example,
sexy.
Actually, I embrace what I have because we all have values and I know God created us. So I really embrace what I have right now.
Oo. Kasi nga perfect na yung body ni Mami. Ni Mami Scarlett. Yeah, kasi nakadalawa na sila. And then this is your last question. Okay. Your last question is, if you will be given a chance to choose beauty and intelligence, ano doon and why?
I'll be real. I'll choose beauty.
Why?
It's rare. And I feel like intelligence is something I can really work on eventually.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm being real. So,
Yeah.
yeah, in terms of intelligence, I can attend workshops, I can do masteral, I can study again and again if I want to. So, yeah.
Kasi beauty naman, you can enhance your beauty nowadays.
Oh, with that part, I'm not really personal.
Yeah.
This is my personal. I don't. It's good to enhance, but not to the point na you're unrecognizable.
Okay.
That's my take on it. Yeah.
Sige. Ang ganda ng mga sagot nila.
Yeah.
So, pagpahingahin muna natin sila. Do we have any comments or any question for our Mrs. Universe Philippines candidate? Okay. We are na go tagig, sabi ni JC. Go tagig city. And then, with or without the crown position, sabi nga pakibasa daw. Okay. Sorry po kung hindi namin lahat nababasa kasi ang dami. With or without the crown position, tumutulong ka na. Janice, real story from the heart. Yan. Thank you, Miss Mami Rosario, Miss Rosario. And, enjoy, sabi ni Natasha, enjoy this experience, lady. You are all winners. God bless. Go Pasig. Yan. And ano pa? Bright, sabi ni Luke, bright future ahead of you. Wishing the best. And Rosario Galeng. Ano pa? Okay. Palakpak lang si Miss Daisy. And then si Megan. Love your answer, Miss Janice. More blessing. Okay. So, ang dami nyo nang nakukuha eh. So, nagkaroon na ba ng activities na? Do you have, eto pa pala, Concy Abbott, if you had the power to change one mindset in the society today, what would it be and why? Sa kanila pong lahat to, no, I think, sabi ni Concy Abbott. I'll start with you, Mami Iris.
Sorry again. If there was one thing.
If you had the power to change one mindset in the society today, what would it be and why?
Okay. For our society today, I really noticed that so much emphasis is being put on connections. Red tape. There's a lot of red tape in our country and connections. And even if you have the ability or the intention to do good in whatever aspect, it's so hard to penetrate any industry because of red tape. So if you know someone, then it's easier for you to go through it. However, if you don't, then you have to work doubly hard. So I think that's pretty unfair. So, I mean, if I had the power to change that, I would.
Yeah, the red tape and the corruption and everything.
Yes.
Mami.
Actually, same din naman ng answer ni Mami Irish. Pero siguro yung pagiging self-centered siguro. Na doon kasi nag-start lahat, no? Kapag yung sarili mo lang yung focus mo and hindi ka nagkaroon ng malasakit sa kapwa mo. So, pag self-centered ka kasi, hindi mo nakikita kung ano yung pangangailangan ng iba. So, yun yung power na gusto kong mawala kung bibigyan ako ng pagkakataon.
And Mommy Scarlett.
Sa akin, maybe I want to really remove the being prideful person. Because may tendency tayo na mataas ang tingin natin lagi sa sarili natin and we look down on other people.
Yeah.
So I really want to remove that prideful, being humble person.
Yes. Always humble and be grateful. Eto na. Like, for example, the pageant, natapos na ang pageant. And then, not everybody, kasi ilang title lang naman diba?
Yes po.
But, you know na it will open doors with any opportunities or kahit anong opportunities. Like, for example, may nag-scout sa inyo to join the industry, the movie industry or commercial. Are you open with it?
Yes, of course.
So, another experience na naman
Yeah,
siya.
I think that would be amazing.
Okay. Well, Mami Janice.
Same din po. Okay lang naman din. Tsaka, parang dream ko siya nung bata pa ako, di ba? Yung maarte-arte ka pa. Di ba? So, parang baka ito na yun.
Yes.
Pero okay lang kung bibigyan ng opportunity.
Okay.
Why not, di ba?
And ikaw, Mami Scarlett.
Can you repeat the question? I'm
Ah.
so sorry.
It's like, for example, the pageant is tapos na, finished.
Okay.
And then, many doors will open.
Okay.
It can be in commercial or in movies. Are you open with it?
I'm open as long as my family has blessings for me and if it's God's plan for me, I will go for that.
Okay. So, if ever nag-open doors yun sa inyo, sabi mo nga kanina yung intelligent, you have to learn it. So, you willing kayo yung mga acting workshop na ganyan?
Yes, of course.
Of course.
Yeah.
So, very open ang ating mga mami sa kanilang mga possibility kasi nga, not everybody is giving a chance to join the pageant.
Yes.
And you are guys, you girls, mommies are really lucky kasi nandito na kayo.
Yes.
Yeah. Yun nga sabi ko, always enjoy the journey. Not everybody is in your shoes, diba? So, eto na ang question ko. All of you are wearing makeup.
Yes.
All of you are wearing makeup, all of us. Kasi sabi nga, makeup yan diba? I'm gonna ask Mommy Irish, if you're a kind of makeup, what kind of makeup you are?
I'll probably be blush.
Why?
Blush. I'm, honestly, if you get to know me, I'm very childlike. I'm very girly. And so, diba, when you put on blush, you look rosy and healthy and just parang excited for the day to start. So I'll be blush.
Blush. Mommy Janice.
Sa akin, siguro, red lipstick.
Oh, okay.
So, kahit yun lang yung wear mo, di ba, parang kitang-kita ka. And then, nag-symbolize siya ng braveness. So, yung pagiging matapang ko na humarap sa buhay. So, yun yung nakikita ko na parang ako. Red lipstick.
Yeah. Mommy Scarlett.
Mine naman is the same as Iris.
Yeah.
Blush on.
Yeah.
Because whenever I put pink blush, like this,
Yeah.
some people will tell me, oh, your pinkish blush is so nice. So you're smiling, and I love to see them smile because whenever I'm with people, I really want to make them laugh, to make them happy. So blush on will be my makeup.
Okay. So, yun nga, the pageant is near and then all of you are gonna be locked in for a month.
Yeah.
So, how you prepare it? Yourself and with your family? Mommy Scarlett.
I prepared myself to really tell my husband ahead of time if I'm gonna be not at home or late at home because there will be a time na we will not be at home when there's a pageant coronation night. We will stay in the hotel to prepare a lot of things. And then I will tell also my kids, if you explain to them really clearly, they will understand that. And then for now, I still have time. I make sure that I spend time with them every day.
Yes, no? Kasi matagal yun diba?
Yes.
Mommy Janice.
Same din po. Ngayon, sinusulit ko muna yung time ko sa kanila habang ngayong nagpe-prepare pa lang din kami. And then actually, kinakausap ko yung, kasi I have daughters. So yung isa kong 8 years old, sinasama ko din dun sa, katulad nito, yung last fashion show namin, sinasama ko siya. Sabi niya, kamusta yung experience mo? Sabi, Mami, you're so pretty. I like you walk, ganyan. So, natutuwa din naman sila sa ginagawa ko. And then, yun nga, pine-prepare ko na rin sila na sinasabi ko na din sa husband ko na maglalakin kami ng 1 week, ganyan. Gusto mo ba pupunta ka pa doon? Or gusto mo ba mag-check-in kayo? So, okay naman din sa kanila.
Okay.
So,
Mami.
I think for me, the preparation is really more on mental preparation, really. Because pageants are, it's physically draining because there's lots of activities, but really half of it, or more than half, is really mental. I feel like it's not every day you wake up feeling beautiful.
Yeah.
It's not every day you wake up feeling confident.
Yeah.
But then you have to push through because, it's a commitment that you made. And so it's really mental preparation. You have to be mentally strong. And even if that day you don't feel your best, you just really have to put your best foot forward and do it.
Yes,
Yeah.
kasi not everybody lagi na we wake up in the right side of the bed, di ba? May nakita ako may question eh. Ang haba ng question eh. I have a question for, sabi ni Alex, I love Pasig. And then si Roy, I love Valenzuela. And then here, galing kay Micaela, can I ask po si Mrs. Pasig po, bilang isang ina at babae sa panahon ngayon, paano niyo po napapatunayan na tunay ang lakas ng isang women ay hindi nasusukat sa perfection? Haba kung hindi sa paraan ng pagbangon niya sa bawat challenge.
Okay, I think perfection is a trap.
Okay.
Yeah, because when you pressure yourself to be perfect, you're not being yourself anymore. The natural grace of your being is diminished.
Yes.
Because you're trying to be someone you're not, or you're comparing yourself to other women, which you can't do because they all have their own unique traits. So for myself, I experienced that before na, just a little mistake, you feel like a failure.
Yeah.
I think all women go through that,
Yes.
especially a lot of women love to compare. Diba? But then, you know what I realized? You have to, no one will love you more than you love yourself, I feel like. And so, you have to prove to yourself that what you are is enough. And perfection is something you can never attain.
Yes, exactly.
And so, yung sinabi niya na sa bawat challenge, every time you fall, you have no choice but to get back up because you have people counting on you. For example, your children.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Usually, mommies are like that.
Yeah.
We get our strength from our kids.
Yes.
Kailangan natin bumangon ng
No
bumangon.
choice,
Yeah,
yes.
no choice. Yeah. Thank you. Nice answer.
Thank
Meron
you.
pa ako nakita eh. Yan. Tapos sabi ni Kat, rooting for you, Irish. Tapos meron pa. May mga question pa dyan eh. May nakita akong question. Ayan, ang haba. Para naman sa ayun na naman, yung una muna.
Yeah.
For Mrs. Valenzuela naman po. Kung bibigyan ka po ng pagkakataon, mag-iwan ng isang mensahe para sa mga nanay at kababaihan ngayon, ano ang mensaheng gusto mong maalala nila habang hinaharap nila ang modernong panahon? Wow.
Okay, thank you for that question.
Grabe ang question ni Micaela.
So, nowadays, women can really provide for themselves kung gugustuhin nila. They can be independent. Kailangan lang nila na maniwala sa sarili nila na kaya nilang tumayo sa sarili nilang paa. Kasi naniniwala ako na yung greatest asset natin is yung worth natin. And when a woman is empowered, we are unstoppable.
Yes. Grabe. Women power to. Diba? Meron pa, isa nilang question. Ang galing kay Micaela naman. Form, ayan, Miss Tagig. Yan, ay, naman. Yan. And for Mrs. Tagig naman po, sa mundo po ngayon na puno ng pressure and compassion, paano nyo po magagamit ang inyong boses bilang Mrs. Universe candidate? Comparison. Pressure and comparison. Paano nyo po magagamit ang inyong boses bilang Mrs. Universe candidate para mas ma-inspire ang kababaihan na mahalin ang sarili nila?
Maybe what I can share is, sa mundong ito, full of pressure and comparison, just look at yourself. What to improve, and how can you be a better version of yourself every day.
And never, never, never compare yourself to other people. Kasi everyone is unique in their own way. Yeah. At dahil dyan, eto po yung last question ko for them. Ay, meron pa! Sabi ni Concy Abbott, I think this is for everybody, and then sabi ni Katrina, go, tama na, Christina, go Miss Pasig. Sabi ni Concy Abbott, in today's world where temptation is everywhere and personal happiness is often patronized. How
Prohibited.
prioritize,
Okay.
prioritize. How can people protect the trust, loyalty, and peace that keep the family strong? I'll start with you.
Okay. Well, I think first and foremost, prioritizing happiness, your personal happiness, is not wrong. I think it only becomes wrong when you are neglecting your obligations or duties to your children or to those who you love. But I beg to disagree that personal happiness shouldn't be prioritized, because I believe na when you're really happy, it overflows and then you have more love to give to the people who are counting on you.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Mommy Janice.
Siguro yung kung paano mo na lang din ibigay yung happiness mo din sa family mo. Kung hindi ka naman nagkukulang, habang pinaprioritize mo yung happiness mo, and naibibigay, napoprovide mo yung pangangailangan nila, siguro I think there's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah, exactly. Mommy Irish.
Scarlett.
Ay, Scarlett pala. I'm sorry. Mommy Scarlett.
Bali, for me naman, personal happiness is really depend on how you think and what is your perspective. Kasi if you're gonna depend on what people actions towards you or how they respond in a negative way, talagang maiinis ka and you will feel bad. But kasi we can control our emotions, our thinking, and our actions. So whatever they do, whatever they told you, anything na hindi nyo gusto, let them be. Just show the love to them.
Oo nga naman. Diba? Meron pa ako isang nakitang question Ang daming question ngayon. Kung kailan, diba? Last question. Ayan, from Alex
Sure.
Chua. What can you advise? Teka, gumagalaw. What can you advise, can you give the next generation or batch that would like to join the pageant next time or next year? Yeah. Mommy Scarlett, I'll start with.
So, since nasa question din kanina is comparison, so I will advise na don't compare yourself. Whatever you have, be appreciative and embrace whatever you have so that you will learn how to love yourself.
Okay. Mommy Janice.
For me naman, siguro, kailangan mo magkaroon ng purpose. Ano yung reason bakit ka mag-join sa kahit anong klaseng pageant?
Yeah.
Ano yung ibibigay mo maitutulong mo na makakatulong sa, ma-realize ng mga tao na meron kang, kumbaga parang meron kang naiambag sa society na kung bakit mo ginagawa to.
Yeah. Mommy, Irish.
For me, in whatever path you choose naman, for example, for this pageant, always try to infuse your real self into it. Because that's gonna be your own signature style.
Yeah.
Because sometimes I think there's a tendency for pageants to have a certain, you kind of have to look a certain way, you have to speak a certain way, everything, parang medyo may uniformity. So I feel like in order for you to not only stand out, but be happy with your performance, is to make sure that you are bringing your real self forward.
Yeah.
You're showcasing who you really are and not being pressured by, oh, a beauty queen has to act a certain way. Obviously, you have to act ladylike, pero still bring out that uniqueness that is inherent in your being.
The best in you.
Yes.
Yeah, the best in you. Yeah. And because of that, I just want to ask you a simple question. A very simple question that I like to ask this lagi. What makes you you? What makes you you? Mommy Irish.
I consider myself to be a mystic. I'm very intuitive, and I love, hindi naman sa rebelling against the norm, not at all, but really listening to my soul, to my soul's calling. And I wanna bring that into the world because sayang naman if you go into a pattern or into the fold of society and you get lost. So for me, parang I just wanna make sure that in whatever I do, my real self is shining through. Parang ganun. So I consider myself intuitive, very intuitive, and a mystic. Yeah.
Mommy Janice, what makes you you?
Yung pagiging resilient ko. Dumaan ako sa maraming maling relationship. Dumaan ako sa maling relationship. Dumaan ako sa mahirap na sitwasyon, sa madilim na buhay. Pero still, nakabangon ako. And ngayon, humaharap para maging boses at maging inspirasyon sa marami.
Wow, nice. Mommy Scarlett.
Ako naman po is I really want to be the light of the world. So I started my home, my family, my children. Kasi being a mother, ikaw yung ilaw ng tahanan. So your children, the people who lives in your home, look up to you. So keep shining, the light of the world as well, so that people can see the light in you.
Wow, nice na mga sagot. One last question, baka magtampo. And then after this, I'm gonna give them the chance to invite everybody and give their last message to everybody. Okay, one last question. Sabi nga si Joy, go gorgeous. Ayan na. Good evening, gorgeous queens. Good evening, Mommy Ray. Hi! And then, ayan, Hilda. Mommy Hilda is for question for Mrs. Universe Valenzuela. As a married woman, how do you balance your personal life with your advocacy, and why is it this cause important to you? Like, ay, parang nasagot mo na yan kanina, di ba? But sige, sagutin mo na rin kahit saglit lang.
Siguro kasi, yung dahil nga din sa past relationship ko, alam ko na ngayon yung value ko. Ano ba yung sabi niya? Sorry. Paano ko nababalance?
Yeah, paano mo
personal
nababalance?
life ko?
Yeah.
Actually, yung husband ko kasi very supportive talaga siya eh. So, hindi niya ako pinipigilan kung gusto ko mag-grow. Like, nung nag-aral ako, sinuportahan niya ako. Kasi alam niya, dream ko na makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Kasi, since before nga hindi ko nagawa. So, kahit apat na yung anak namin, sinuportahan niya ako.
Okay.
And then, syempre, kailangan may bebe time ka pa rin sa husband mo, diba? And then,
very
family
important.
time. So, every Sunday, I make sure na yung oras ko is nasa family and kids. So, lagi kaming lumalabas, and then, mini-make sure ko na yung quality time kasama yung family.
Yeah, okay. This question, sabi ko nga ayoko na, pero I like this question. Napakagandang question ito. Last one, galing kay Concy Abbott. Last one. Yeah, kay Concy Abbott. This one is really nice kasi ito, nakita ko to. Magandang question to. Last one. The countries like Japan, South Korea, Singapore experience war, poverty, and lack of natural resources in the past. Yet they become disciplined and progressive nation. Meanwhile, the Philippines is rich in talent and resources. So what do you think is the real problem holding the country back? Leadership, culture, discipline, corruption, or the mindset of the society itself? Short question from each and every one, please. Mommy Scarlett, you first.
So, my answer is to the mindset of the society. We have to really vote wisely. Kasi doon nagsisimula talaga. Who you vote, sila yung talagang mag-rule or magbibigay ng law. So, we really have to vote wisely.
Yes. Mom.
Same din, kasi yung sa atin din nanggagaling eh. And then, of course, yung leadership din. Siyempre, dapat yung leader na napipili natin is talaga may malasakit sa mga tao and hindi yung pang-sarili lang. Nangyayari kasi ngayon talagang yung mga nakaupo, hindi ko naman sinasabing lahat, is talagang ang focus lang nila is kung ano yung makukuha nila sa kaban ng bayan, di ba? Hindi yung kung ano yung matutulong nila. So, I think yung mindset ng society and then yung leadership.
Mommy.
For me, more than voting wisely, we need to make the leaders accountable, I think. Because I think the mindset of Filipinos, we're very forgiving. right? So whenever an issue comes up, it's hot for a moment, and then the next elections, it's forgotten. And so the same cycle continues.
Yeah.
So I think yun, let's not forget the track record of our leaders so that next time around, we can make more informed choices.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tatlo pa lang po to. Tatlo pa lang po itong nakita nyo. Aside from my past guest na Mrs. Universe Philippines. It's gonna be hard to choose who's gonna be the winner kasi all of them are really, really good. But now I'm gonna give them the floor to invite them. When is the coronation night and the last words for our audience? I'll start with Mommy Scarlett, Mrs. Universe Taguig.
Hi, so we're gonna have a pageant coronation night on June 28, 2026 at the Manila Hotel. So first of all, I really would like to thank for my supporters for your overwhelming love from the very beginning. And your encouragement means so much to me. So I truly hope for your continued support on my journey in this Mrs. Universe Philippines. Again, I'm Scarlett Chua, representing Taguig City.
Mommy Janice.
Thank you so much sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta sa akin ngayon. And then sa lahat din po ng mga sumusuporta ngayon sa Mrs. Universe 2026. And sana po sa June 28, 2026 is masuportahan nyo pa rin po kami. And ayun po, sana magkita-kita po tayo doon. And thank you so much po sa lahat. I'm Janice Kathleen Mariano, Valenzuela City.
No, Mommy Irish.
Hi, I'm Iris and I represent Pasig City. And I really hope you guys can watch our coronation night on the 28th of June. And it would be a night of elegance, but not only that, more importantly, a night of substance.
Yeah.
So, yeah, hope to see you guys there.
Do you know if the tickets are already available or where they can buy the tickets?
Oh yeah,
Yes po.
you can get tickets from any one of us. Yeah.
Okay. O, sige. Yan, sabi nga po nila, June 28 ang coronation night. But before we close, I just want to say, invite everybody again on our theater show on June 6 and 7. This is our anniversary show. The upcoming theater show, Saglit Lang, Totoo Na, directed by Direk Rodel Mercado. And of course, featuring the works of Liza Magtoto, Vincent De Jesus, Alfonso Dacanay, Rene Villanueva, Gloria Ann Nacional, Caleb Alvarez, and Mr. Frank Rivera. And then you can buy your tickets and you can buy tickets and message po sa 0927-242-2673 or 0954-170-2679. And this is in Makati po, in Mirror Theater or Mirror Studio Theater po. Ayan. I hope you can watch our anniversary theater show. It's gonna be very, very nice po. You will see a different stories. And of course, like what I've said, make it a habit every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. I'm starting with Chikahan with Mommy Ray. And then podcast, Up, Top, Down, Low with Caleb Alvarez and Charles Deon. And of course, Coffee Chat with Daven every Friday, 7 p.m. po yan, na you can all watch in our Facebook page, Ignos Novos Artist Management. Same with our Instagram. And of course, like, follow, and subscribe our TikTok account, ignosnovos.official. And of course, follow, like, and subscribe our mother company, First Son Production, with the Facebook and Instagram, First Son Production. And of course, our YouTube channel that you can watch everything po dun sa aming YouTube channel, First Son Creative. And of course, like, follow my social media account. Facebook ko po is Rachel Pulion. My Facebook page is Mommy Ray 3. My Instagram is Mommy_Ray43. My TikTok and X at Mommy Ray 3. And I'm so happy and grateful na nakasama ko po to tatlong mommies natin. Like what they said, na women empowered talaga ang pageant na ito. Plus, sabi nga din ng isa sa kanila, dahil ang reason nila dito is they want to let people know na kailangan lumaban ng bawat nanay. And all of them, they're balancing pero ang priority po nila ang kanilang pamilya. But they also experience now in spreading their wings to experience kung anong difference ang lumabas sila sa kanilang mga comfort zone and experience the different side of it. And sa lahat ng mga mommies, not because we're mommies, we cannot experience this kind of pageant. Maraming darating na Mrs. pageant sa atin, not only Mrs. Universe, marami po. Ang aking lang advice sa inyo, spread your wings. Huwag nyo lang ilock yung mga sarili, being nanay, being wife. We are still women. We have our own needs and our experience. Habang bata, i-experience natin yan. Like, eto po ang inyong Mommy Ray na lagi nagsasabi. Everything that's happening to us, there's always a reason behind it. Bye! See you all next week. Thank you, mga mommies, and good luck. Good luck. For me, you're all winners.
Thank you.
Mga kwentuhan na dapat mong malaman.
Kasi magpapatulong, o sige, bigyan mo ako walang in return. Sinong tutulong sa mga taong yun na para maabot yung mga pangarap nila?
Tsaka pag gusto mo naman po kasi yung ginagawa mo, hindi mo siya maiisip na, na parang draining.
Kasi lahat posible. Lahat ng bagay is posible.
Do something that you love. Habang pagod na pagod ka, hindi ka give up kasi you love what you're doing.
Always remember po ang lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo. Everything that's happening to us, there's always a reason behind it. Bye!